We booked an interior room on the Carnival Jubilee 2 days before departure, and this is the room we were given. This room has 8 USB ports because we were to be determined or to be assigned cabin, and then it was assigned last night.
We're Rich and Robin.
And these are our midlife adventures.
Living in and out of our midlife van.
Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Gotta wait, Rich. I had a green light. Okay, it looks kind of on. So this has bunk beds. A little smaller than our last.
Why would they put bunk beds in a small little room like this?
We've already got our towels. We'll have to ask for our blanket.
I think that's just the footrest, the washing legs.
And then we have the upper bunks. If you had 4 people in this room, it would be extremely tight. I don't know what they would want to do. Whoa. Did somebody get our doorbell?
Carnival Jubilee family, this is Kendall Fire, your cruise director here, welcoming everyone on board the flagship of Carnival Cruise Lines.
The mini fridge, which they call room coolers, were different on the Jubilee with a glass front door.
Robin, so we got your Pepsis. We got your Pepsi minis, because that's the only 12 or 10 pack that we could find. And then we bought a 12 pack of Sprite.
Nice double closets, his and hers. Tiny bathroom, but nice layout. Of course you got your toilet, but you got a couple shelves, extra supplies. The Carnival Jubilee has a real hair dryer. Can you believe that? And there's a note that says if you take it, you gotta pay for it.
$40.
More storage into here. We didn't even utilize this.
Didn't even notice that.
Didn't even utilize that. Should have. Check out this shower door. No shower curtain here. This is a pretty good size shower compared to some of the other carnivals we've been on with the shower curtain. I like this one.
Get your bath gel and shampoo.
Yes, on the Vancia, it was shower gel shampoo. I bring my own anyways, but they have a little something here. Nice little shower that's adjustable up and down, and another little shelf. And we didn't quite figure out what this is unless it's
just for washing your legs or shaving your legs.
A little step. But what's this? Doesn't do nothing.
No, it's just the temperature control on off.
You can control the temperature. And of course it's got a shower or a laundry line.
Dry.
Put our swimsuits on that. Doesn't want to go back very well, but there. So yeah, very nice shower and closets. So the closets
are a mess.
We've begun our packing, but you got a safe. It's got these nice little drawers, extra bedding down here, and these little cubbies. And there were so many hangers in here.
That they were rattling around while the ship was rocking.
If you didn't have enough clothes on them, yes. Most of the time we had enough clothes on them. And then even more closet space, more hangers. There is a nice desk / vanity here with this great light. This is nice getting ready there. And then there's 3 drawers. We've got stuff in them still, but nice big drawers. And one little drawer here is good for curling iron, flat iron, garbage, ottoman.
What about the power?
The power. We have 4 USB, 3 regular
US
110 volt outlets. And there's no European outlets on this ship. No UK outlets on this ship.
Just American.
You may have noticed the room is kind of narrow. There's these things on the walls. They're bunk beds. Our room attendant, Adrian, said he's never seen 2 adults in here. So let's just show you the rest of it, and then we'll show you the bunk beds. we have more USB on each side and a little spotlight there,
A
Rich.
little map light or book light.
And a little shelf. The USB is nice to charge your phone at night. So each side is the same. In this room, as adults, you gotta be careful because first day ran into the corner of this bunk bed. So you just gotta be kind of nimble, flexible. They got the TV, of course. This cruise ship, just like the Viencia, had on-demand movies, had CBS, TCM movie channel, some cartoon channels, Nickelodeon channels, comedy channel, Discovery, HGTV, Food Network, and the Travel Channel, which was always paranormal activity. Kind of different, but that was about it for TV. And then the ice box, the Dometic cooler, they call them. Not really a refrigerator, but it kept things pretty cold. What do we got there? One beer,
one Modelo left.
and one chocolate milk. What do I got here? Probably got some garbage here.
That's the stuff.
That's the stuff that stays on the
Yeah.
counter. Okay. Let us know if you have a cruise planned on this ship. Let us know what your favorite cruise ship is if you haven't got a cruise planned on this ship.
You want another drink?
One of the things I always request when we get on the ship is one of the nice fluffy blankets. Because Rich is always hot and I'm always cold. He's going to turn the AC up and I need a bundle up in a blanket. So that's my favorite thing.
And you request that from the stateroom attendant?
I always request that from our room attendant that cleans the room. And then I request ice, and he's been bringing us ice twice a day in the ice bucket. And then I requested a rope.
Sometimes you do a bed topper, huh?
Sometimes a bed topper, but this mattress is pretty good.
Okay, supposedly this is the way you do the bed.
Pretty easy, but you should really request your room
That's what the sign
this
is.
room steward to do it.
So pretty much, he'll do it and just leave it down the whole time.
So there is
There's two
Hello?
pillows. There's all the bedding already there, and it's got a ladder. And it also has
the railing up.
railing to
Put the
keep
ladder
you
down.
from rolling off the bed at night.
And is there a weight limit on these beds?
I have not seen any documentation on that.
You think it goes on the corner like that?
It kind of looks like
Okay.
Okay, and then this one here, little button right here, push in on that, it comes down, same thing, got a ladder, the bed rail, and a couple pillows.
Bed rail.
And you got the bed rail.
Okay. Okay, they have lights for each bunk, and they get 2 USB ports, Rich.
What a bargain.
So this room has
1, 2,
10?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. This room has 8 USB ports. Okay. What's the weight limit?
5 pounds more than you. Look at that. Comfy?
This is where I'm sleeping tonight, Rich.
Uh-huh.
Not quite as comfortable mattresses down there, but doable. It would work. It's a place to sleep.
Yep.
Just not a place to sit.
Imagine if you had 4 people in this room trying to share the bathroom.
That would be a lot.
Okay, Robin, now lay in there. And how claustrophobic are you on the bottom?
Oh, I can handle it. Especially with all your pillows. It's just like a bunk bed.
Not so bad.
Not much different than a bunk bed.
Better than getting 2 rooms. Be careful there. All right, better than paying for 2 rooms?
Better than paying for 2 rooms. Or if you have lots of kids.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, while you're there, what are those light switches?
Oh, one thing you got to be careful about down here on this bed is all these light switches. Because you'll be asleep and then
You'll hit them
you'll hit one.
or all.
Yeah, one or all of them.
Okay, Robin.
You're
I'll go
not
on
getting
top.
up there.
Oh, okay. You go on top, I'll go on the bottom. Up here, and down here. Ready? Hey, Dave and Donna.
Is this bigger than a van, Dave? Can you handle it? Should this be our thumbnail?
Yeah.
So that is our room tour for the Carnival Jubilee. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to follow along as we share more of our trip on the Carnival Jubilee and other adventures.